Thank you very much. Let's move then to our panel. And a reminder to send in questions, anyone joining us this afternoon, if you have them. You can do so via the chat, and we'll be happy to take them, so they can be either to Paula, Peter, or anyone else on the panel. Let's bring up our panelists then. I'm hoping we can bring you all up at the same time. That's Emilia Holdaway, Murray Burt, Sandra Schoonhoven, and Kieran Cuff. Can we get all four of you? I can see three. Kieran, are you there as well? Or not yet, potentially? Yeah?
There we go.
Ah, okay, perfect. Nice to see you all. So you have the pleasure now of giving us a bit of feedback on Peter's ideas, and as you heard from Paula, there are, for some at least, more questions and answers at this stage. So I think Paula, and I imagine many people joining us this afternoon, are looking for a bit of outside input as to how excited people be about this. How realistic is the concept of a mortgage portfolio standard? How good a fit is it with things like minimum emission performance standards for buildings?